Hey Jim, great connecting this morning. Want to share a video that recaps some of the highlights of the virtual customer advisory boards. I understand you get it, but this can be a video you pass along to some of your colleagues. VCABs, as we call them, it's all about aligning your people, your products, and your brands with the marketplace on an ongoing basis, right? Because let's face it, who cannot afford not to be talking with their customers all the time, right? So what's unique about it is that it's always on. It's a 24/7 dialogue around the clock, nights, weekends, holidays, because that's what it means to be customer obsessed. It's managed. It's led by a third-party facilitator who's also a domain expert. They're an extension of your team doing much of the heavy lifting, right? So we're not adding additional lift to your teams. And then it's guaranteed results. These are scoped towards very specific outcomes, right? But what's interesting is that it has impact across a range of different business functions, right? So with insights, you're getting feedback on product roadmaps, insights into your customers' problems, trends they see. A great deal of content's produced. This helps to fuel much of your content marketing needs. You're building community, and then you're also aligning sales more towards the customer's problems, right? Instead of focusing on product features. So it's very ROI focused. It's scalable across the business. You could be launching 10 of these without introducing an additional headcount to your team. It's managed for reliable success, right? And it doesn't take long to implement, right? You could have this fully deployed in just 2 weeks' time. They typically launch. It's set up and launch in just 1 week. So in any case, I know I'm over my time limit, but have a great weekend and look forward to talking on Monday.